Hello everyone. We are here to do the experiment of input characteristics of transistor, and we will see its input characteristics in the common emitter configuration. So this is our circuit. Here we have a NPN transistor, and here we have a power supply of VBE, and here we have a VCE. Here you can see I have grounded emitter, and with its input and output. So it is a common emitter configurations, and we have a 100 kilo ohm resistor at base input, and 1 kilo ohm resistor at the collector. So this is the circuit which we are going to make on a breadboard. So we have a circuit, we have a NPN transistor here, and I have connected two resistors, one at the base and one at the collector end. So here I have given the power supplies which is going to base, and here is our collector and here is our emitter. So it is a VCE. Our channel 1 is the VCE power supply, which is between the collector and the emitter. And here we have a power supply of channel 2, which goes to the here we have a collector and emitter I have connected. So it is our, and channels 2 power supply is goes to the VBE. Here we have a base and emitter voltage. So basically in a transistor we have a two types of voltage. One is across the base and emitter, and one is across the collector and emitter. VBE is the input voltage and VCE is the output voltage. And to find the input characteristics of a transistor, we have to find the values of IB at some constant value of VCE, let's say equal to 2 volts or VC equal to 3 volts. We will vary the VBE, base emitter voltage, 1 to 8 volts, and we will note down the corresponding readings of the IB. So let's start to do the experiment. So this is our DC power supply, and I am going to change or give the power supply to our circuit. So first of all I am going to give the value to the VBE, base emitter voltage. I am going to set it equal to 1 volts, and corresponding current should be some there, so I am going to use here 0.7 ampere current, and then I will select channel 2, and here I am going to set the VCE. This is our VCE, and I am going to set it equal to 2 volts. It is equal to 2 volts, and here we have to give some current value, and now output will be there. So as you can see here, we have a VCE equal to 2 volts, and now we will check the value of the current IB. So here we have a base, and we have connected a resistor across it. So we can, here we have a multimeter, and we will set it equal to the micro milliamps, and now we will measure the current across the IV. So it is approximate it is 6.6 milliamps. Now I will set the VBE equal to 2 volts. So here is our VBE. It is already equal to 1 volts, and now I am going to set it equal to 2 volts. And now we will check the IB across the transistor. So this is the value of current IB. VCE equal to 2 volts, and VBE equal to 2 volts. So we can say it is 116 milliamps. Now we will set our VCE, which is collector to emitter voltage. Now I am going to set it equal to 3 volts, and now again we will note down the corresponding values of IB at different voltages of VBE. So let's start. Now I have set VBE equal to 1 volts, and now I have set VBE equal to 1 volt and VC equal to 3 volts, which will be constant. And now we will check the IB current across IB. It is 6.86 milliamps. Now we will set our VBE equal to 2 volts, and now we will take the output, and now we will check the IB current. So it is 221 milliamps. 221 milliamps. And now our VBE equal to 3 volts, and now we will check the IB current. So it is 459.6 milliamps. So in this way you can note down the readings of IB at different voltages of VBE at some constant voltage of VCE, and these are the IB readings at VC equal to 2 volts, and here is VC equal to 3 volts, and this is the IB readings. So in this way you can draw the VI characteristics, which will be input characteristics of NPN transistor in common emitter configuration. So you will
बोलो.
so we have VBE and we have corresponding values of IB. So when we and VC equal to constant, here we have 2 volt and here we have 3 volts, and we have corresponding VBE and IB values. So with these values you will get this type of curve. It is our input characteristics curve of common emitter of NPN transistors. Okay, thank you.